Okay, right, sir. Uh, so good evening, everyone. Can you hearing me? Is my voice is clear? Please need your response in chat box, please.
Yes, sir, it
Able
is
to hear.
audible.
So, okay, please mute everyone. Right, guys. Today we'll go with one more important concept in our Python is looping control statement. See, my friends. Okay, see and very clearly understand. Okay, in our previous session, we completed conditional control statement. In that, we saw the if else, if else. Then today we are going with looping control statement. Looping control statement. Sir, here I am going to using three words, looping, or we can say that iteration, or we can say that repetition. Repetition control statement. Repetition control statement, sir. Look here, we can call, okay, looping, iteration, or we can call repetition control statement, right? We'll talk, Madam Sathika, will back, a small thing. Okay, looping, iteration, and repetition control statement. See, sometime, according to my requirement, I want to repeat the same statements multiple times, sir. See, I'll tell you one thing, sir. Suppose print print numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Suppose one scenario I am telling, sir, without repetition, with repetition, what happened you can see. Print numbers 1 to 10, sir. Suppose if you go with without looping control statement to print the number 1 to 10, every time we are write like this, print 1. Again, we can write the print 2. Again, print 3. Like this, we'll write up to print statement we are writing 10 times, sir. We are writing print statement 10 times. So 10 times there we are writing. Suppose 10 time is okay. Tomorrow some requirement will come up. Write the 100 time. Then we need to write the 100 print statement. So writing like this really bad code, sir. So in order to overcome that problem, they given the looping control statement. Repetition statement means sometime if you want to execute same times multiple times, then go with what? Looping control statement. Simple thing. Okay. The looping control statement is a statement which is used to execute same statement multiple times multiple times multiple times until the given condition is false. Until the given condition is a false, guys. Given condition is false, then go with what? Looping control statement. Sir, the looping control statements are, the first one is a for loop, second one is a while loop, then third one is a nested for loop, very important. Nested for loop, and fourth one we can use a break, and the fifth one we can see the continue, continue, and sixth one we can say the pass, and the seventh one is nothing but a else suits. But actually, we guys are focusing on first three. First three are looping control statement. But along with this looping, we can use a break, continue, pass, else suit also. Now we'll see one by one, step by step, sir. Now Guys, now I am going with first one. The first one is nothing but a for loop. For loop, guys. So now what we'll do for loop? Same, sir. If you want to iterate, okay, same statement number of time, then go with what? For loop, sir. Simple thing, simple. If execute same statement multiple times, then go with the for loop, sir. Then go with the for loop. Then here the syntax. Look, sir. Then go with the syntax. Then go with what? Syntax, sir. In other programming language, for loop syntax is different, but here for loop syntax is different, sir. Okay, it is look like a for in loop. It is similar to JavaScript. Now, how we can write for, and here you can use the variable name, means our variable name. Okay, then write in operator, and here you can write our sequencer. Sequence is nothing but our iteration condition sequence, and give the colon, and after colon, and here you can write the statement 1 means block of the code, and statement 2, and statement 3, and so on. So statement 3 and so on. This is our syntax. Now suppose I am giving example, sir. Example. Okay, how we can write for loop. Suppose I am going to printing the numbers, 20 numbers, 1 to 10 I am going to printing, right? To print 1 to 10, just, num is my number. Here I given the in, and now I am going to using the range function. Sir, I am coming, what is the range? Here 1, comma 11 I given. Means range of 1, comma 11 means this function can generate 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 10 value can be generated. From range, first value given to number and print the one value. Again, range will give the second number to number, print the two value, three value. Like this, it can iterate the same statement up to 10 times, sir. Same statement we are iterating up to 10 times. This is called loop. Now, here I am taken simple, okay, print num value. Print num value. Now, automatically can print 1 to 10 numbers, sir. Now, I know you are going to, you guys are confused. Then what is the range function? First, we need to understand the range function, sir. Very, very important function. So, when we are working with, for loop, when we are going to working with for loop, range function is very, very, very important and very, very powerful, sir. Then what is range function? Simple. Okay, here the use of range function is to generate sequence of numbers are only numbers. Understand? It can generate a sequence of numbers. Generate a sequence of numbers, sir. So the main purpose of range function is to generate sequence of numbers. Then how? Here I am giving some example, and all the possibilities I am going to highlighting here about the range function, right? Okay, example, sir. Sir, first case, suppose a range of 0 I given means no value is printed. Sir, no value printed. Understand? Second case, suppose range of 10 I given, sir. So once you give range of 10, it can print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it, sir. So last value is excluded. In your range, last value is excluded, right? 1, 2, so just I given 10. 10 means what? The value can generate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First case. Understand. Suppose, okay, I given 1 comma 11 I given, sir. Range of, starting value is 1, ending value is 11. Suppose if you use 1 comma 11, it can print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, sir. 11 is not printed, excluded, remember, sir. Remember, suppose, range of, one more case I am giving, range of, range of, range of, okay, range of, suppose I given 2 comma 12 I given, sir. Means your value start with 2. Again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, 10, 11. That's it. Last value is excluded. Last value is excluded. Please understand. Coming, one more possibilities. Again, I am giving a range of, my starting value is 1. My ending value is 10. Now my step size is 2, sir. 2 I given. Means it can print 1 plus 2 means 3 plus 2 means 5 plus 2 then 7. Okay, again plus 2, 9, sir. Last value is not going to print it. So here 1 is a starting value, 10 is a last value, 2 is nothing but a step value, sir. Similarly, okay, I given range of 5 comma up to 40. My step size is a 5, my friends. Understand? Then 5, the next, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 35 plus 5 means 40, right? Means, 35, right? 35 plus 5, 40. No, last value is not going to printed. Last value is excluded. So increasing order I given, right? The next range of, suppose 10 is a starting value, 0 is a ending value, sir. Minus 1 I given. Means decreasing order, sir. Means it can print 10, 9, okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up to here we printed. The next one. Okay, range of, okay, 10, suppose range of 40 up to 5 I given and minus 5 I am giving, sir. Decreasing order. Now 40, 35, 30, next 25, 20, 15, 10. Next, it can print 5. I think 5 is not printed because of 5 is last value. So, like this, we can generate the sequence of number, okay, in our for loop, sir. Now, so based on, now I hope you understand. So, how to create, how to write our for loop and how to generating our sequence of numbers, sir. Now, we'll see few example, you will get more clarity with our for loop, sir. Later, we will go with while loop. The first program, sir. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Okay, write a Python program. Okay, to print numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Sir, so many problem statements we have. Now I am going to show you 1 to 10. Then how we can write, sir? Simple code. Okay, simple application. See, what I will do, write the for loop. So n is a number. N in simply you can write a range of 1 comma 11 you can write. Then give the colon and after colon give the tab space print just n you can use it, sir. Now I am coming with clear cut explanation. You will get more clarity, right? See guys, range of 1 comma 11 means what? Okay, this range contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 values, sir. So for loop, what we'll do, this all sequence of number iterate one by one and give to the n value and print it. First, from range, n value can take one value and print one, sir. Next, it can take two value and print two. Again 3, print 3. Again 4, print 4. Again 5, print 5. Up to 10 time is going repeating. Look, sir, same for loop. We are repeating means iteration until our range will be completed. This is called loop. This is called a looping control statement, right? Sir, is it right or wrong? I want to check it. Now, here I am going to showing with practically, you will get more clarity. This is my Django application. Looks great. Okay, minimize it. And I'm taking our folder, sir. Right. So here I am taking our code1 file. Okay, code1 file. Okay. So we are going to printing number 1 to 10. So we'll see so many problems. Okay, we'll see so many problems. Please understand. Okay, print number 1 to 10. How we can write for n in range of 1 comma 11. Then here you can use a print just n values. Control S. If everything is okay, it can generate 1 to 10 values, sir. Now I am coming. Okay, just our command name is what Python. Application name is what code1.py. So guys, observe here, you're working or not? 1 to 10 number is printed. Sir, here I am highlighting one thing. With one for loop, we can print sequence of number in a column wise. Okay, column and wise. Or we can print row wise also. Simple, give the comma. Here you can use the end, sir. Okay, end and give the some space. So after the number, if you use end, okay, the cursor point won't go to the next line. It can print your sequence of number in a row wise, guys. Now we can see. Please understand. Look here. So without end, we printed our sequence of number in column wise. Once I added the end, our result can printing in row wise, guys. So why I am going to highlighting here with one for loop, either we can print our sequence of number in column and direction or in row, sir. Again, I am highlighting with for loop. With for loop, our data can be printed either in row or in column, not in both direction. Sir, I want to print rows and column, and then we need to write the nested for loop. Upcoming topic, very, very powerful concept. This is the first application. Now, one more application, sir. Suppose I want to print number 10 to 1 backward direction. Right, sir? Now, write a Python program to print numbers 10 to 1 up to 1, sir. Here I am writing for again n in simply you can write a range of starting value is 10, ending value is 1, so that you can use 1, sir, comma minus 1 you can use it, decrement order. And here I am going to printing which value, n value. So I am going to printing in row wise, so comma, then use a end is equal to support double quote space, you can use it. Now we are going to printing the value in a decreasing order. Decreasing order, guys. Now see here. So here, first application 1 to 10, again 10 to 1 is going to printing. So better understanding purpose, I am giving some decorating, sir. Okay, I am differentiating first application to second application. Okay, look here. So it's the first application output, it is a second application output. Right? Like this. Then one more application, sir. Okay, one more program I am going to write here. Please understand, guys. Right? Hmm. One more application. One more application. Second, sir, write a Python program to print even numbers. Even numbers between okay 100 to 200, sir. Look here, 100 to 200. How we can print with for loop? Okay, between 100 to 100. Now we are going to printing the even numbers only. Even numbers. Now what I am doing? Look here. Okay, just write the for loop n in range of my starting value is 100 and ending value is 200. Right? Up to 100. Just I am giving 2 not 1, sir. To print even numbers, I am putting the condition if n percentile 2 exactly is equal to 0. If it is satisfied, then only I am going to printing the n value. Right? Otherwise, I am not going to printing the n value, sir. Right? Please understand. Now between 100 to 200, I am going to printing the even numbers. Look here, just you can print, sir, Python code 1.py. Printing, sir. Look here, 100, 200, okay, sorry, 102, 104, 106, up to we printed 200 value. These are the even numbers. Suppose, okay, to print odd numbers, sir. To print odd numbers, what I will do? The same application, you can take it. Okay, here condition is what? Not equal to 0. If it is satisfied, now we are going to printing the odd numbers, sir. Observe here. Okay, these all are the even numbers. These all are the odd numbers we are going to printing. Guys, understand how we are going to printing. Control C. So this is our what a for loop application, sir. Okay, now I am coming here. Okay, in my booklet, I given so many problem statements. Okay, so many problem statements based on for loop, sir. Okay. Okay, we'll see 2 or 3. You will get already I given the in the same way you can do yourself. Python book. Guys, are you following me? Please say yes or no in my chat box. Say yes or no in my chat box, sir. Sir, your response is very, very important to me. Okay. If else loops are, here given the loops. And first we are going with for loop here, execute a block of instruction repeatedly as long as the condition is valid. We use for loop only when we know the number of iterations are. Here I given some, syntax. Guys, here's the problem. Okay, range function, print number. Okay, 2 to 20 using step. Okay, printed odd number 1 to 19 like this. Printed number in reverse order. Okay, already we saw. Next, print number 1 to 10, 10 to 1. And print alphabets are uppercase A to Z. Okay, I will show you how to print uppercase A to Z. The next, coming down here, sir, print number 2, 4, 6, 8. Already we printed. Print number, this one, sir, 15, 12, that. Tell me, sir, how to print. Please give me the code in chat box. Here, printing 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0 like this. So how we can do? Tell me, need your response. Anyone, sir? Anyone give me the code? Give me the code, sir. Please give me the code for this one. What I will do for n in Okay, range of starting value is 15, I think, and ending value is 0, right? 0 I taken. And they are asking what step size is 3, comma, minus 3 you can use it. Minus 3, print, just I am going to printing the n value. 15 to 12 like this, right? Then run your code. Run your code, sir. Working like this, you can print it, right? Using for loop. And the same way, by using for loop, so many problems are there. 10, 20, 30, 40, you know how to print. 100, 80, 60, 40, 20. And here prints are lowercase alphabet A to Z, sir. A to Z. Guys, before going to printing A to Z and Z to A, Z to A, small a to Z, we need to know the ASCII value, right? Guys, I am coming. See, uppercase ASCII value starting with 65 to, I think, 122, sir. Okay, lowercase ASCII value starting with 97. Okay, 97 to, okay, sorry, here 65 to, okay, 97 to something last value will become. Now I'll show you, sir, you will get more clarity. Suppose here I given, a range of 65, comma, 123 I given. Then here CHR, char of n value I printed. Let me check what happened. Okay, right. Guys, here which value is going to printing? Small, okay, up to 120 time, right? 65 to up to 90. Okay, 96 or 97 I am going to print it. 97 ASCII value. 97. Suppose if you go with the 65 to 97, what happened we can see. We are printing up to not 97, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up to you 70, 90. I think it will be print. Okay, up to Z. No, I think, okay, 90. Right? Not 90, I think 89. What happened? 89 control is. So 90, sir. This is what? 90 value.
91.
91, sir.
91 control is. Right? Up to here printing. Suppose you want to print the lowercase value, sir. Lowercase value starting from 97 to
1 to 3.
122, right?
Okay.
122. Please understand the ASCII values. Okay, here I am giving starting 97 to, okay, 123 because of last value. Control yes. Look here. Like this we can print. In the same way, you can print reverse order, forward direction also. And in the same way, we can print numbers 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and 9 to 0 also. We can print it, sir. Clear? So please do yourself with our for loop. We will get more clarity. Now we'll see here some problem. ASCII value A to Z. Now, sir, small a to Z, 0 to 9. Okay, program display ASCII character set. Character set. So, give the character and number. And here, print square value for the number, sir. Guys, this is different one. So, they are asking what, sir? To take 1 to 5 number, each number square you can print it. And each number cube you can print it. Then how to print? See, here I am taking the number 1, comma 6. Square means what? Simple, n double star 2. N double star 2. So this is what square. So here we take in number 1 to 5, printing the square value. Cube means what? Just give the 3 value. Control yes. See, every time we are not writing 1 cube, 2 cube like this. Just we given one statement and printed 1 by 1. 1 by 1, sir. So like this, you can see all the program with our for loop, sir. Here I given some problem statements. Program to print numbers divisible by 7 between 20 and 60, sir. Put the if condition and print it. Print the program number divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5 between 10 to 50. Use for loop. Inside you can use the if condition, print it. Program to print number divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100 for 100 to 300. So do all this application with a for loop. The next one, program to display multiplication table, sir. Now I am going to showing for you this, sir. Print numbers from 1 to 10. Print even number from 1 to 10. Already we saw. Sum of even numbers, sir. Okay, I'll show you that one also. So they are asking multiplication table, right? So what I am doing, sir? Suppose n is equal to, t is equal to table. I am writing 12th table. I am going to write it. 12th table. So the 12th table I am repeating here 10 times, sir. 1 to 10 times. Then how we can write? See the format. First I given the T, double quotes, star. Again given the comma. Here I given the n value. Given comma, then is equal to operation. T is a 12, 12 into 1, 12 into n is a 1, sir. Okay, then here I am going to using T into n. T into n values, sir. Right? Now we can see. Just I am going to printing this value. Working? This is nothing but a table format. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36. Like this, we are repeating the statement. How many times required? That many times we can repeat it. This is what our table program. Guys, table application with our for loop. Sir, almost all application may only explaining you, but you need to practice more. Then only you will get more clarity. The one more application. Find the sum of even number in Python. Sum of even number. So what happened, here I am giving, sir, sum of even number. Means, sir, starting value is 2. My ending value is, up to 22 I am taking. Means, my even numbers are 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. This all sum I am doing. So what I will do sum? So by default, sum is equal to 0 I taken. Sum is instead 0. To find sum of the number, what happened? Sum is equal to sum plus just again the n value, sir. After that, n value. Okay, n value, n value. Then finally, I am going to printing the, okay, just format f, okay, sum of even number is equal to, just I am going to using the sums. Means 2 plus 4 plus up to 20 we are going to doing. Now you can see the sum of even number from 2 to 20 is 230. 230, guys. Right? Like this we can do with our for loop. Right? Now same application you guys are doing with while loop also. Now I am coming the while loop, sir. So these all are the application you can do it. Factor given number, count factor given number. Okay. Find sum of factor given number. Okay. Prime or not. Prime or not. These all are application you can do yourself. The next one, sir. We are in while loop. We are in while loop. So here while loop also do same thing to execute multiple statement until the given condition is satisfied. Given condition is satisfied. Look here. Execute a block of instruction repeatedly until the given condition is false. We use while loop only. We don't know the number of iteration to do. Sir, when we go with for loop situation, suppose, print 1 to 10. In this case, we can go with for loop. Print a multiplication table, then go with for loop. Okay, suppose if you know number of iteration before, then go with for loop. Sir, you don't know number of iteration. Suppose A situation I will tell you. Suppose you are reading data from the database table. You are reading data from that files. In this case, you can go with while loop because of, so while I'm reading data from the database, I don't know, sir, how many records are there. Okay, they are not given the count for me. If they given the count, then go with for loop. Suppose they are not given the count, you guys are go with while loop, sir. While loop. The most cases we can use reading data from the database and reading data from the files. This is the situation we can use our while loop. Our while loop, guys. Now the syntax. Syntax, how we can write? While, and here you can use the condition and condition block started from here. Then write the statement. Okay, statement 1 and statement 2, so on. The next here you can write sir, assignment increment operator, increment operator, or assignment decrement operators. Assignment decrement operator. Very, very important. This is what our while loop condition. Right? Now I am coming. First application. Same, sir. Okay, print numbers from 1 to 10 by using while loop, sir. Sir, I am going to explain 2 or 3 application with while loop. Okay, which one you did? So which one I explain by using for loop? All the application now you guys do with while loop, sir. Okay, then how to print number 1 to 10 with while loop? See, coming to the point. See, guys, they are asking 1 to 10. So my starting value, I value starting with 1. My condition is while, I less than or equal to 10, sir. I am repeating while loop how many times? 10 times I am going to repeating. Then here I am going to print I value. Then I is equal to I plus 1, sir. That's it. Guys, how it will be? I am coming step by step. You will get more clarity. See, my friends, step number 1. Step number 1. See, I is equal to 1 here. I is equal to 1, understand. Then I am checking the condition. Means what? I means for 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. So condition is true. If it is true means what? Print 1 value. So I am printing the 1. After printing 1, I value is going to incrementing. I is equal to I plus 1 means 1 plus 1. Now I is equal to 2, sir. Here I is equal to 2. Just 2 is incremented. Once 2 is incremented, again check the our while condition. Means here step number 2. In step number 2, this time I is equal to 2 value. If it is okay, checking the condition means what? 2 less than or equal to 10. If yes, condition is true. If it is true, print the I value. Again, 2 is printed. After 2, again I value increment. I is equal to existing I value is 2. 2 plus 1 means this time is 3, sir. Again, step number 3. In 3, what happened? I is equal to 3 value. Means 3 less than or equal to 10. Again, condition is true. If it is true, print the I value. Again, 3 is going to print it. After 3, again, value can be incremented. Means here 4 will become. Again, check the condition. Then step number 4. This time, I is equal to 4. If it is okay, then 4 less than or equal to 10. Means condition is true. If it is true, print the 4 value until it can print 10 times, sir. Understand? We are repeating same statement until our given condition is going to false. Right? Now I am going to printing. Array, yes or no. Now just we can check it. Printing the value 1 to 10, sir. 10 times. Because of I given I less than or equal to 10. So that is it is going to print it. This is the first application. Right? I am going to printing multiplication table with a while loop, sir. Same story. Here I is equal to 1 and t is equal to I taking this time 5 value. Then you can write here what happened? T, comma, double quote star, comma, then print I value again, comma, double quote is equal to, then comma, then t into I you can use it, sir. And here you can increment I is equal to I plus 1. Just same story, nothing to new. Turn, sir. Now here 5 table is going to print it. But one request. Here table value you can take from the inputs are. Now t into, okay, t into, okay, input of, okay, enter your table. Like this I take it. So if you give here any value you can take. Suppose my 40 table I am printing. So print it. Again you can run. I want to print like in 19th tables. Print it. This is called user friendly, right? Like this, we can print the table by using for loop. Guys, are you there? Need your response?
Yes, sir.
Very good, good response. Okay, right. Suppose I want to print even numbers by using while loops, sir. Even number between 100 to 200. Then how we can print it? Okay, I am coming, sir. Suppose I value starting with 100. Here I am giving the while condition. What happened? I less than or equal to up to 200, sir. Between number, right? Even number. What you will do? Here you can put if condition. Then write, sir, I percentile 2 exactly is equal to 0. Then print I value. Again come back. I is equal to I plus 1, sir. Control yes. Now here I am going to printing number 1, 2. Okay, between 100 to 100 even number I am going to printing, sir. See, within the while loop we can put conditions also according to our requirement. So like this, you can print all application by using while and for loop, guys. Here I given some problems in my booklet. Please, in my booklet, please go here, sir. Okay, before which one I given? So page number 29, 28, 26, 25, 24, 23, sir. From 23 to 29. And with while loop also some given, no? 30 and you can do with 31. Okay, and here I given, sir, 31, 32. So suppose if you are not unable to understand 32, tomorrow I will explain you. But try to do well. 33, okay, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37, and up to you can do 38, sir. 38 and no 39, 39, 40, 40, 40. Up to 40 you can do it. Okay, up to 40 you can do it, sir. Up to 40. Suppose you are not understand, tomorrow you can raise me the question. I'll repeat that problem statement. Clear? Guys, I hope you understand. Yes or no. Say yes or no for me.
Yes, sir.